In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage invoices and bills in Xero. Whether you're just getting started with Xero or looking for a refresher on handling these essential tasks, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process step by step to make sure you have everything covered from start to finish. First, we'll focus on creating an invoice. Begin by navigating to the Sales section and then head over to Invoices. Here, you'll see a button labeled Plus New Invoice. Give that a click. Now you're going to notice a To field at the top. This is where you'll select a customer. You have the option to choose from your existing list of customers or add a new one if it's a first-time transaction. Once you've specified the customer, move on to the invoice details. You'll need to fill in the invoice date and the due date. Also, there's a field for a reference, which is a great place to add any important numbers, like a purchase order number, to keep things organized. Next, we'll add the items or services provided. This involves entering a description for each, along with the quantity and price. If you've set up products and services in Xero beforehand, you'll find that the software can auto-populate these fields, saving you valuable time. Setting the appropriate tax rate for each line item is crucial, so double-check everything aligns with your tax requirements. If you have any supporting documents, simply click the paperclip icon to attach them. This feature is especially useful for backing up your invoice details with additional info or documentation. Once you've reviewed all details and everything looks perfect, it's time to finalize your invoice. Hit Approve and Email to send it off to your customer, making it both professional and efficient. Now let's shift our attention to managing bills. Navigate to the Purchases section in Xero and look for bills to pay. Here, you'll want to click on New Bill. When setting up a new bill, start by filling in the From field. Select a supplier from your existing contacts or add a new supplier if needed. Following that, it's important to enter both the date of the bill and its due date. In the Reference section, include the supplier's invoice number. This keeps everything aligned with their records too. To facilitate easy record keeping, make use of the Attach Files icon to upload a digital copy of the bill. It's an excellent way to ensure all necessary documents are stored in one place. Then, you'll need to add the line items. Enter a description, the quantity, and the unit price for each item. Select a general ledger code to correctly categorize each expense, which is an essential step for accounts management. Finally, when you're satisfied that everything is accurate, click Approve. This moves the bill to an awaiting payment status, streamlining your workflow and helping you keep tabs on upcoming expenses. And that's it. You've now successfully learned how to manage invoices and bills using Xero. By following these steps, you can ensure that your financial documents are always up to date and organized. Thanks for tuning in, and happy accounting.